Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about the new lesson We All Live Together. Aim to describe how we celebrate religious festivals and national festivals. Okay students, now we will read some important keywords related in these lessons are festivals, religious, harvesting, national, hoist, parade, constitution, leaders, skits, celebrate and celebrate. Dear students, do you like festivals? Are you enjoy the festivals? Yes, we all are celebrate to enjoy festivals. Because festivals are celebration of life that marks certain events that are important to people in popular society. Hindus celebrate Deepavali, Ganesh Chaturthi, Krishna Jayanti, Durga Puja, Kartigai Deepam and Holi. Christians celebrate Christmas to birth of Jesus Christ and Easter. Muslims are celebrate Ramzan, Bakrid and Milad-e-Nabi. Some people celebrate Kurubrab, Buddha Purnima and Mahavir Jayanti. These festivals are called religious festivals. We pray to certain gods or goddesses during religious festivals. For example, Kartigai Deepam, Ramzan, Easter, Christmas, Mahavir Jayanti, Guru Nanak Jayanti, Deepavali, Buddha Purnima are some religious festivals. Some festivals are called harvest festivals. We celebrate festivals like Pongal, Onam and Baisakhi when crops are cut. These are called harvest festivals. A harvest festival is an annual celebration that occurs around the time of the main harvest of a given region. It can be found at various times at different places. During festivals, we wear new clothes, decorate our houses, eat special food and meet our relatives. We can help our family during festivals by cleaning and decorating the house, making sweets, drawing kolam and packing gifts. Students, what is this? Where do you see in this picture? It is the national flag. We see it in many public buildings and in schools. We hoist our national flag during national celebrations like Independence Day and Republic Day. These days are celebrated across India and are called national festivals. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are three national festivals of India. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. On this day, in 1950, the Constitution of India that contains all the rules that should be followed to rule our country came into effect. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August. On this day, in 1947, India became freed of British rule. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October. On this day, Mahatma Gandhi was born. On these days, celebrations are organized in schools and offices. Most offices are closed on this day. We celebrate these days by hoisting our flag. We listen to speeches of the great leaders of our country. We honor the people who fought for India's freedom. We also act our skits to remember the importance of these days in our lives. Okay, students, today what we learned? Today we learned what are the different religious festivals and what are the different harvest festivals and what are the different national festivals. Thank you, children.